Alright guys, once you remove the screws, and there's 16 of them, so it may take you, I don't know, 5 minutes or more to just get them all out. Then you're going to change the FEP, hopefully, and this is the one that I bought from Monoprice, the original, I guess. Hopefully it's the correct one. I don't know because I've never done it before. So once you do remove the screws, this part comes off pretty easily, and as you can see, whoever did it before did a pretty good job of cutting it evenly, and it should just come right off like that. Great. Hopefully I will remember how to put this back on the right way, but it's kind of smoother on one side than it is on the other, and hopefully that'll be a good thing. Alright, so where are we now with this? There's bits of resin there that I thought was gone, so the next step would be to clean it anyway, one more time, to make sure that all that stuff goes away. See you in the next video.